Few things in marketing matter more than empathy. Which of these men do you feel has the most empathy for you, your family, and your circumstances? Which one do you have the most empathy for? In the next 4 months, this question will be top of mind when many Australians vote in the upcoming federal election. What is more, it is likely that perceptions regarding the empathy Morrison and Albanese have for their audiences will impact significantly on how those audiences vote. That is why Morrison and his wife appeared on 60 Minutes last night to try and demonstrate their empathy for their audience and create within their audience empathy for the two of them, and in particular, the Prime Minister. How much empathy do you have for these women? And how much empathy do you think they have for you and your circumstances? Research suggests that a significant proportion of female voters and many male voters empathise greatly with both Higgins and Tame. Research also suggests that women empathising with these two women will not only like them, but will like Scott Morrison a whole lot less. Rightly or wrongly, the empathy women in particular have for these two activists will significantly impact on the results in the upcoming federal election. Rightly or wrongly, these men are products that the target market needs to empathise with if they are to vote for them. Rightly or wrongly, the degree to which these men are seen as having empathy for their audiences will significantly influence their success when the election occurs. Rightly or wrongly, empathy for Higgins and Tame will influence the empathy that various audiences have for these two men. Rightly or wrongly, empathy matters, especially in marketing. Marketers are better able to meet and exceed the expectations of their target audiences if they establish empathy. Marketers are also better able to engage and market to their target audiences if they can demonstrate their empathy for those audiences. When you have empathy, you are better equipped to meet and exceed customer expectations. When you demonstrate empathy, it is easier to engage the audiences, developing trust and driving sales. Empathy is the key to customer-centric marketing. It is certainly the key to maximising brand loyalty. The insights? Well, firstly, develop an evidence-based empathy for the circumstances of your target audience. Secondly, demonstrate and leverage empathy when communicating with your target audience. Thirdly, to facilitate points 1 and 2, take the time to observe customers moving through their customer journey. Questions to ponder? Well, firstly, how could you possibly understand my needs and expectations if you lack empathy for my circumstances and journey? Secondly, how well do you engage with someone you think has no empathy for you and your circumstances? Why would your customers be any different? And thirdly, how much time do you spend observing your customers in store and indeed outside to understand their expectations and their journey? To find out more on this subject and related subjects, visit www.djohncarlsonesq.com. That's www.djohncarlsonesq.com, or email me, johnc@djohncarlsonesq.com. That's johnc@djohncarlsonesq.com. I'm John Carlson. Thanks for listening.